Hi! In front of me is CUBOT P50, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the move your keyboard on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now choose System section. Then select Languages and the input, On-Screen Keyboard and GBoard. Finally, click on Team section, scroll down and choose Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available options. When you're ready, you can click on the best one for you. I will go with that one. Click on this switcher next to keyboarders to manage them and apply your keyboard by choosing Apply. As you can see, when I go back, team of mine. Sorry. Has changed. But you can always go into the same settings and customize your theme by choosing this plus icon under My Themes instead. Then select the photo that you wish to apply as a keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Now select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right on this slider. Then click on Done, manage keyboarders and tap on Apply. If you wish to edit your keyboard, you can click on it, tap on this pen icon and make your changes. Now, when I click Apply and go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!